Find a comfortable position, allowing your body to settle naturally. Close your eyes gently and take a deep breath in, filling your lungs completely and then slowly releasing. Feel the surface beneath you supporting your body. Breathe in tranquility. Breathe out tension. Start by imagining a peaceful, flowing stream. You can hear the gentle sound of water, a soft melody that reverberates tranquility through your being. This stream is a place where you can release your worries. Gently take notice of your thoughts, each gently carried by a leaf upon this stream. Visualize a leaf at the tip of your fingers. Place a worry, a stressor, or a single concern on this leaf. Feel its presence as you acknowledge it, but do not hold on to it. Gently release it onto the stream. Watch it float away with the currents. Further along the stream, notice how it becomes smaller and smaller. Continue this process with any other worries. Visualize each one carefully. Observe without judgment. Then place them onto separate leaves. Release each leaf into the stream. Let the water carry them, flowing gently away. You are embracing the capacity for lightness and release. As the leaves disappear, notice how your heart feels lighter, your mind clearer. Imagine the stream offering you peace and clarity. Feel its energy flowing within you, rejuvenating your spirit. Take a slow, deep breath, absorbing this serenity. As you begin to return to the present space, carry with you this sense of letting go. Affirm to yourself that you are free from the weight of worries, that you can return to this stream at any time. With every breath, embrace tranquility and inner peace. Gently bring your awareness back to your surroundings. Wiggle your fingers and toes. Whenever you are ready, open your eyes, feeling refreshed and renewed. Thank yourself for this moment of release and serenity.